Hello there and welcome to my channel. So this is another TikTok tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone on TikTok. So in this video I'm going to use my cousin for this tutorial. I'm going to block him for you guys to see. So now let me move to my inbox here. Good, and let me scroll up and there's him. So this is one of the most simplest thing to do, but it's being searched on YouTube, so we decided to make a video on it. So to block somebody, it's just like on Facebook, other chats. You just need to tap on this here. You can see block here. You just turn it on and you're good to go. I confirm and I block him. Something like that. So let me unblock him. So that's it, how you can block somebody on TikTok. It's very simple and easy. This is nothing complicated here. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you do well to like and subscribe to my channel.